everyone, this is here for our back again on another video with Peter McKinnon in the studio. I wish. What is up guys, this is here for our back again on another adventure series. As you all can see, I'm actually on my way with some of my friends in Sydney. We are heading to some of the scenic places in New South Wales. Just to let you guys know that this video was shot across 5 locations in New South Wales, Australia. To start off, we made it to Royal National Park. Wattamolla beach in Royal National Park is quite popular in Sydney, and then on the second day we went to Palms Beach, and on the final day we were fortunate and then we had heaps of time to go to 3 beautiful locations. We went to Dolphin Point in Ulladulla and then Hyams Beach. Hyams Beach is considered one of the finest white sand beaches in the world, just in case if you all don't know it. And then a beach called Hole in the Wall Beach in Booderee National Park. And also I might look a bit different today because I've actually changed lenses finally. I'm actually using a 10-18 right now wide. All these days I've been using this boy, which is 18-55, which is a kit lens, and my new lens has finally arrived, EFS 10-18. And last week's video, the cinematic sequence, thank you so much. Your response meant a lot to me. Just in case if you haven't watched the video yet, it should be up in the cards over here. Oh my days, that was a lot of talking. Let's get to the video straight. I know you guys like cinematic sequence because of the response in my previous video, so I made it a cinematic one. Once again, enjoy. If you like this video and find this video interesting, go smash that subscribe button and share it among friends and family. If you want to continue watching, there's some fun behind the scenes incidents which happened. So if you all want to continue watching, go ahead. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Locks on it, can't take my voice on the shit knocked on it. Balenciaga saga, I'm a bird on bro.
நாங்கள் இப்போது வெயிட் பண்ணி கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். ஃபரா அவர்கள் கக்கூசு போயுள்ளதால் மற்றும் பசரி அவர்களும் கக்கூசுக்கு போயுள்ளதால் நாங்கள் இப்போது அதற்காக வெயிட் பண்ணி கொண்டு உள்ளோம். சிப்பாய் போகிறார்.
சிப்பாய் இல்லடா, கண்ணாடி சிப்பாய்.
ஓ சிப்பாய், கண்ணாடி சிப்பாய் காட்டுகிறார் அம்மர். குட்டியாளுக்கெல்லாம்